Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's truly up there? Beyond the stars and planets, a silent, unseen world of human-made objects orbits our Earth. We've launched thousands of satellites, rockets, and probes, pushing the boundaries of exploration and communication. But amidst this incredible progress, a silent, growing threat looms: space debris. It's creating a cosmic traffic jam, jeopardizing our future in orbit. This isn't just a theoretical problem, it's a tangible danger that affects us all. So, what exactly is space debris? Simply put, it's any human-made object in orbit around Earth that no longer serves a useful purpose. This includes a vast array of items, from defunct satellites to discarded rocket stages. It also encompasses smaller, more insidious fragments, like tools accidentally dropped by astronauts or even tiny flecks of paint. These seemingly insignificant pieces pose a significant threat due to their incredible speed. Debris hurtles around Earth at astonishing velocities, often exceeding 17,500 miles per hour. At such speeds, even a paint chip can become a deadly bullet, capable of inflicting catastrophic damage. This makes every piece of debris a potential hazard. The primary concern with space debris is the risk of collisions with operational satellites. Even a small piece of debris can cripple or completely destroy a functioning spacecraft. This isn't just about losing a single satellite. It's about a dangerous chain reaction. When a collision occurs, it doesn't just remove one object. It creates thousands of new, smaller fragments. Each of these new pieces then becomes another potential projectile, increasing the risk of further collisions. This escalating scenario is known as the Kessler Syndrome. The Kessler Syndrome describes a theoretical situation where the density of objects in low Earth orbit becomes so high that collisions become inevitable. This could lead to a cascade of impacts, rendering certain orbital regions unusable for generations. It's a future we must actively work to prevent. This isn't just a theoretical threat. We've already witnessed significant incidents. In 2009, the active Iridium-33 communications satellite collided with the defunct Russian Cosmos 22521 satellite. This single event generated thousands of new, trackable pieces of debris, significantly worsening the orbital environment. The consequences of such events extend far beyond space itself. Our modern lives are deeply intertwined with satellite technology. GPS navigation, which guides our cars and powers countless applications, relies entirely on a network of orbiting satellites. Weather forecasting, crucial for agriculture, disaster preparedness, and daily life, depends on sophisticated meteorological satellites. Furthermore, global communication, including television broadcasts and internet access, is heavily reliant on communication satellites. Disruptions to these vital services would have profound impacts on society. Fortunately, scientists and engineers worldwide are actively working on solutions to this growing problem. One key area is designing satellites to be more sustainable from the outset. This includes developing technologies that allow satellites to safely deorbit or break up at the end of their operational lives, minimizing new debris. Beyond prevention, there's a focus on active debris removal technologies. Researchers are exploring innovative methods to capture and remove existing debris from orbit. This includes concepts like robotic arms to grapple defunct satellites, specialized nets to ensnare smaller fragments, and even powerful lasers to nudge debris into lower, safer orbits. Policy solutions are equally crucial. International agreements and regulations are being developed to govern space activities, promoting responsible behavior and debris mitigation practices among all spacefaring nations. Collaboration is essential to ensure the long-term sustainability of space. Space is not just a frontier for exploration, it is a shared resource, vital for our technological advancement and daily lives. Protecting this invaluable environment is crucial for our collective future. The challenges posed by space debris are significant, but they are not insurmountable. Understanding the problem is the first step towards finding effective solutions. Every individual, from students to policymakers, has a role to play in raising awareness and advocating for sustainable practices. We must ensure that space remains accessible and safe for generations to come. Learn more about space debris and its implications. Support sustainable space practices and the development of innovative solutions. The future of space depends on our collective action and commitment to responsible stewardship.